Let us now look into the physical properties. Alcohols are polar compounds. When you look into the structure of alcohols, you can see there is a partial positive charge on the carbon and as well as on hydrogen. And there is a partial negative charge on the oxygen. Because of this, they can interact with themselves and also with other polar compounds by dipole-dipole interactions. They can also participate in hydrogen bonding. Let's see the effect of hydrogen bonding using an example. Here we have ether and an alcohol. We have ethanol and dimethyl ether. These two compounds are constitutional isomers. When you say constitutional isomers, they're going to have exactly the same number of atoms in them. Okay, let's find out the different number of atoms present in this compound. It has 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. Although these two compounds are constitutional isomers, they are having different boiling points. You can see that ethanol has a higher boiling point when compared to dimethyl ether. And it is because of the hydrogen bonding. You can see that one molecule of ethanol reacts with or forms hydrogen bonding with 2 other molecules of ethanol. Because of this intermolecular forces, the boiling point of ethanol is higher. When you compare alcohols and alkanes, you can definitely tell that the alcohols have a higher boiling point. So they have higher boiling point, and they are soluble, more soluble in water, and that's because they are polar compounds. Alcohols are polar compounds. And again, the third important thing is if you have additional OH molecules, OH groups in the molecule, then it's going to increase the solubility. With additional OH groups, the solubility is going to increase. Acidity of alcohols. Alcohols can function both as weak acids and as well as weak bases. In dilute aqueous solutions, methanol alone can act as a weak acid. So here we have methanol, and this proton can be easily lost in the presence of water to form the hydronium ion. Whereas when you compare the acidity of ethanol with that of water, they are going to have approximately the same acidity. And alcohols can also act as a base when a strong acid is present. Alcohols can also react with active metals such as lithium, sodium, and potassium to give metal alkoxide and hydrogen gas. Here is one such reaction where methanol is reacting with sodium to give sodium methoxide. And alcohols can also be converted into metal oxide by using a stronger base, much stronger than an alkoxide ion. One such strong base here is sodium hydride. Here is the formula for sodium hydride. And here again, you can see that metal alkoxide is formed. Here we have sodium ethoxide.